If you're trying to break into freelance writing or blogging, you probably heard people say, sign up here, it's easy. But here's the truth, not all writing job sites are beginner friendly. Some are competitive, some are selective, and some are great, but only after experience. Welcome back to the Digital Guide, where we talk side hustles, online income, and remote opportunities. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if remote work is your goal. Click that bell icon to stay updated on new uploads. So, in this video, I'm ranking legit writing and blogging job sites from hardest to easiest, or from pro to beginner friendly, telling you who should actually use each one, plus the advantages and disadvantages. So, let's start with hardest and work our way to the easiest place to get hired. Starting at number 7, we have Contena. Contena is legit, but it's not built for beginners. It's a premium platform with curated writing jobs and training resources. Now, the advantages of this platform is high quality job listing, its educational resources, and professional clients. While disadvantages of this platform, it's a paid membership, competitive, and not beginner level. So, this platform is for experienced writers only. At number 6, we have Clear Voice. So, Clear Voice is portfolio based. Clients browse you, not the other way around. That means no portfolio, no work. So the advantages of these platforms, it has a strong brand, it's high pay, and no pitching once discovered. While disadvantages of this platform, it's no guarantees. It requires published work and slow for new writers. So this is for writers with bylines and proven experience. At number 5, we have Scripted. Scripted connects writers with businesses, but you must pass their approval process first. So, advantages of this platform, it's clear brief, professional clients, and decent pay. While disadvantages of this platform, it's hard to get accepted. It's competitive and not beginner friendly. So this platform is for intermediate writers ready for vetting. Number 4, we have Smart Blogger Job Board. So this board is legit and respected, but expectations are higher. So the advantages of this platform, it's better pay, SEO and content focus rules, and no scammy listing. While disadvantages, it requires solid samples, fewer postings, and competitive. So this is for beginners with 2 to 3 strong writing samples. Number 3, we have writer access. Writer access uses skill ratings. You pay increases as you level up. So the advantages of this platform, clients come to you. It's long-term potential and skill-based growth. While disadvantages of these platforms, the test required, approval process, and can feel slow at first. So this is for beginners who want structured growth. At number 2, we have Pro Blogger Job Board or Pro Blogger. So this is one of the best places to start. Many clients here specifically look for bloggers And some listings say new writers welcome. So, advantages of these platforms, it's trusted platform, direct clients, blogging and SEO jobs, and no bidding. While disadvantages of this platform, it's competitive, must apply fast, and samples required. So, this is for beginners ready to apply seriously. At number one spot, we have tax broker. Tax broker is the easiest way to get paid for writing online. No pitching, no interviews, just write. So the advantages of this platform is extremely beginner friendly, fast approval, guaranteed work access, and consistent payment. While the disadvantages, it's low starting pay, repetitive topics, and not ideal long term. So, this is for absolute beginners who want proof they can earn. So there you have it. 7 legit writing and blogging job sites. We have Text Broker, we have Pro Blogger, Writer Access, Smart Blogger, Scripted, Clear Voice, and Contena. If you're just starting, don't chase the hardest platform. Instead, start where you can win. Build samples, then move up. So be sure to check the comment section below for sites and links to explore. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more remote job updates, and share it with anyone looking to start a freelance writing career or find writing jobs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.